Kuzma, opa.
Hello.
Can you tell us if you have ever heard about tree stump on Trešnjevka?
I haven't.
Why not?
Because I don't go to Trešnjevka.
Have you noticed this tree stump?
No, we haven't. What about it?
No, we just want to ask you what would you do with it? Remake it or?
Knock it down. No, I wouldn't knock it down. I would build something here. So it would become a symbol of something.
Have you ever noticed this tree stump? No. And back then when it was a tree? Yes, I did. What do you think? Why is this tree stump sad?
Because of the garbage around it.
Why?
Because it was cut down.
Excuse me, do you have a minute?
I have.
Why do you think, why is this tree stump sad?
I wouldn't know.
This tree stump was here. I know it was knocked down last year. Last year? Now we know when it was knocked down. Who decorated it? I don't know. We have decorated it. What do you think? Why is it sad? Because it is all alone.
Is it going to be on TV?